You know, if any of my family see this, Scott, they will absolutely blame me. 2 screwdrivers, 2 lighters, 2-year-old boy. But fortunately, next to a fan. Fortunately, your mum's like really focused by drinking Pepsi.
Stop already.
Dad's like really like his heart's going like 200 beats a minute.
Replay.
But we know you just chased a load of kids with a pitchfork, so that's okay.
You don't want a ball, a doll, anything?
A doll? Action man. Careful. You could fix some of the broken parts of the house if you want. Okay, good boy. No, not that way. You know to be careful, right? Yeah, not really.
Yeah.
Okay, give him the drumstick. Chopstick even.
Scott?
See, you can always get him with music. Or flamethrowers or something. Oi. Oi. Oh. Oh. Got blown out. Oh no, got the wrong one. Yeah, fix the deck. Good boy. Yep, that screw's loose. Like there's several screws loose down there in your head. Ooh. Oh, more. Aunt Matt. This chair needs fixed, sure. Okay, careful on the step. Don't run.